What is a circle? It's the sun that rises, the roads we travel, the cycles we follow. A symbol of precision in a complex world. At the center, the wheel, turning motion into drive. Since 1989, we have built more than wheels. We have built a legacy. A name that stands for quality and trust. Every design engineered to perfection. Every breakthrough redefining what's possible. Because innovation calls for bold ideas. For those who demand performance. For those who seek precision. For those who refuse to compromise. Behind every wheel, a team driven by passion. Fueled by a relentless pursuit of excellence. Crafting wheels that stand the test of time. Our history began on the racetrack, and that same drive will always push us forward. We create, we refine, we test, we perfect. We are Fastco Canada.